Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and sometimes it just takes one item to bring the whole look of the room together. And that's what this art artifact boho throw blanket did for our room. Now, the style and theme that I went for in my bedroom was African. I have a lot of fabric from Africa, and I tied that fabric to some pillows and put it on my bed, but they're very bright colors. As you can see, there's bright blue, green, orange, purple, reddish orange. So when you put them all out there all together by themselves, it kind of looks a little chaotic. But when I found this throw, it really brought everything together. It has every color in the rainbow, different shades of these colors all woven into. It is such a soft, delicate, but still sturdy enough throw that I can put on. I can actually put it in my washer and my dryer, and it is very tough. I love the different threads and colors that are woven together. It's beautiful, and I knew it was the one because we also found these little rugs that have a very similar look to it. So after everything was out there, it really made our room just make sense. It is a great item to just bring a little bit of beauty to your bedroom, which is always important. And that's my point of view.